On the next episode of the Self-Publishing Tips and Tricks Show, meet JD Estrada, a Puerto Rican indie author of over a dozen books in various genres, who shares his experiences of selling books at conventions and how he uses social media to build his author platform and present his authentic self to readers.
Any misconceptions that might have hindered you from self-publishing?
Anyone who's starting out is going to start out with misconceptions, and reality is just going to slap you in the face, or sometimes it's going to shake your hand. The cost. People say it costs nothing to self-publish. That is complete BS. This is all on my time, my dime, everything. So this banner, I had to pay for that. The printing of the books, I have to pay for that. Shipping of the books, I have to pay for that. If the suitcase goes overweight in the airport, which has happened, you have to pay for that. To get the covers that I want, you have to pay for it. There are a lot of things that are free, and there are
Come join us for this YouTube premiere of his interview and have the chance to win one of his books for free this Monday, August 15th, 2022 at 7 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.